Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we will learn about how to make new sentences by joining given adjectives, nouns, and article. So there are three columns. Column first contains first letter A. Second column contains adjectives like strong, round, dirty, crowded, fat, thin, nouns. And third column contains six nouns, that is bus, dog, table, man, shirt, and woman. So must watch your question properly and then answer it accordingly. Label the pictures, use the words given below. Number 1 has been done as an example. After completion of this question, we will participate in verb. As for example, A has been taken from column first. So as a sentence is started always with capital letter, so this small a has been written in capital form, and then the adjective dirty has been selected from this column, a dirty, and from third column shirt has been taken, so it becomes a dirty shirt. Second, for your sake of simplicity, I have done on this very specimen copy, and you do accordingly in your own book and copies. Second, a word. Second, strong, man. Man has been taken from this. You can encircle it, so it became a strong man. Third, a from column first, and then crowded from this column second, and bus from column third, so it became a crowded bus. Third, a fat woman. A has been taken from column first, a, and fat from this column second, and woman from this column third. Thereafter, again a from column A, round from column second, and table from column third, so it became a round table. Fourth, a from column A, column first, and thin from column second, and dog from this column third, so it became a thin dog. In this way, you learned how to make new sentences by joining given later adjectives and nouns. I hope it might have helped you to learn new sentences by joining given words. In this way, you have to practice more and more before your unit test. Thank you very much for noting it down and getting it checked. In next class, we will participate in verbs.